Right, first of all, we're cutting a little bit of a underlay. I always do a little strip so you can put the full board. And look, there's like this whole window. This whole window's got like a architrave at an angle. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the board. I'm gonna take the board, flip it upside down, and we're gonna cut this. Maybe let me zoom it. I'm gonna cut the bottom of this and slide the board underneath. And probably we're gonna get that wire under here, and it can come up again. The reason is, I've already tried it, and the reason is there's a antenna, and if we put underlay on the floor and we keep a little gap, look, keep a little gap there, and then we put the scotia on the top, then actually we don't need to get that wire lower. So it's important that we don't do extra job unnecessary. But this wire will have to go somewhere, and we're gonna cut this architrave there, and the same story here. There's quite big architrave, but let's focus on this one.